What's up? Did you see what I did there? Rotated the other way around to keep you on your toes. You have 1 month to go. I need you to work hard. In fact, I'm going to plead with you that you need to work even harder this next month than you have all year long. You are about to step into Algebra 1. And the amount of effort you put forth right now is going to launch you in a positive direction for Algebra 1. Let's tackle our next lesson. Lesson 109, Consumer Interest. We're going to do one problem and work through it, and then you can kind of recap it if you need additional practice. Do you guys want to see something off the chain? I know. Good, right? Consumer interest is a way to calculate how much it costs you to borrow money. So oftentimes you'll hear about credit cards and loans for cars and loans for houses. This helps us determine how much money it's going to cost you to borrow that money. Okay, here's the situation that we're going to work through, and this is going to be our one problem that we're going to spend time working through. Jason has a credit card balance of $1,200, but the card company charges him 2% interest every month. In other words, Jason borrowed money from the card company, and the card company said, okay, we'll give you the money, but we're going to charge you interest in order to allow you to borrow this money. So we're going to make money off of the money that we give to you. So it's 2% every month on the unpaid balance. So how much Jason still owes, they're going to charge him 2% of the amount that he owes. So what is the interest charge of Jason's current balance? Okay? To calculate it, remember, if you're dealing with percentages, you always convert to a decimal first and then multiply it by the balance. So we're going to take the $1,200 that Jason owes, multiply it by our 2%, work the product here, and you're going to see that Jason owes $24 this month on top of the $1,200 he already owes. So he doesn't just owe $1,200 now, he owes $1,224 to the company. This is going to give you a look at how dangerous credit cards can be. Let's say Jason makes the minimum payment of $50 this month, so he gives the card company $50 to start paying his loan back. What balance will he carry over to the next month? So remember, he originally borrowed $1,200, but the card company charged him $24, and so now he owes $1,224. So that's his balance right now. But then he makes a payment of $50. So if this is how much he owes, we're going to deduct the $50 from how much he owes. So subtract the $50. And now we see that Jason owes $1,174. Now, this is something that is the reason why so many Americans get themselves into debt and into financial trouble. He just gave the card company $50. But remember how much money he borrowed? $1,200? Well, after he gave the card company $50, how much money does he now owe the card company? Shouldn't this drop by $50 because he just gave them $50? No, that's the problem. So, in other words, Jason just gave the card company $50. Well, $26 went to actually paying off the balance. The other $24 went directly into the card company's pockets. That's their profit. So $50 to only recoup 26 is a really bad deal. So again, let's refocus on how much Jason still owes the company. Let's say Jason makes an additional purchase of $800 next month. What will his approximate balance be after the payment and interest is applied? So remember, he owed $1,174. He just bought something worth $800, so that will increase his overall balance. So now he owes the card company this much money. But what does the card company do? Charges 2% interest. So we're going to take this and we're going to calculate 2% interest. So the card company just charged him now $39.48 for his current credit card balance. So this is added back onto his balance. For now, we're going to round this to $39. So we're going to add $39 onto Jason's current balance, $1,974 plus 39. So now Jason owes $2,013, but he makes his payment of $50. So we're going to take away $50. And now Jason still has a balance of $1,963. So the question is, what will his approximate balance be after all these transactions take place? Right there. Here's your assignment. I'm going to scroll down in just a second for you to see the rest.